Yeah.
So while you were doing a movie with Pavan Kalyan Garu and Sai Dharam Tej Garu, what did you felt?
Amazing. I mean, when I heard that combination, I was like, oh my god. And there was a day I got to meet PK sir also.
Okay.
And
If you want to say one thing about that memorable thing, what would you say?
about what?
The movie.
About
meeting them, combination scenes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That
What is so challenging while they are there? You have to act in front of big people, no?
see, I've not acted with PK sir in this film.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure if I had a scene with sir, I would have been a little intimidated. You know, I would have felt a little nervous. I was a bit nervous when I met him for the first time, but I was also very I was very amazed by just his presence.
Oh.
Because he's a star. He's a star. Like when he's walking on set, you know, like, okay, he is a star. And he did not have people around him, in the sense everybody was watching him from the side.
Mm-hmm.
Like bouncers did not have to work too hard because people were just watching him from the side and he was just in his thought walking up and down, and that's a star.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I remember that very well. And I went and met him, and sir met me very nicely, you know. And yeah, that was just that one day that I met sir on the set of Bro.
You already acted with mega family members like Vaishnav Tej, Sai Dharam Tej, and who is following next?
And I've also done an ad with Allu Arjun, so that was the first.
Oh yeah,
that was the first thing.
One.
Yeah, that was the first thing of mine that came out in Telugu.
Okay, that was directed by Trivikram Garu,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So how was it? How did it come?
Amazing, best. One of my best experiences.
Okay, how did they approach you? By the way, did you audition for it?
I just got a call saying, there's an AHA ad, and it'll be great if you would want to be, if you want to do this. And I was like, excuse me, like I want to do it, So I just flew down, and yeah, I did that ad with sir. And
so your little part of screen sharing is already done with Allu Arjun sir.
I'm greedy. I want a lot more experiences.
Okay, what genre you want to be with him, Allu Arjun Garu?
Whichever.
Romantic
I would love to
kind
act
of
with him.
romantic or
Not any. It could be any storyline. I would love to play his love interest. But whichever film. I think to share the screen with him is pure delight.
Okay. Yeah. Personally, what kind of roles attracts you more? Like, what are the key points you see while people are narrating, like a storyteller is narrating the story?
I believe I just like to, first of all, just visualize myself playing a role. If I can visualize myself playing it, that's already a plus for me. And if it feels like a film which is going to do well, I'd go in for it.